Hello, friends! Huh? Would you like to go on an adventure with me to find a squirrel? Are you ready? Where in the forest are the acorns? Let's find them together!
Let's find where the acorns are hiding. There it is! I found it! One acorn! Let's find where the acorns are hiding. I found one!
Wow! I found another one! One acorn on the rock!
There it is! One acorn up in the tree.
I found it! One acorn on the tree branch.
One acorn next to the flower garden.
Wow! I found another one! One acorn next to the flower garden. Oh no! It fell on the pond! But I can't go into the pond! What should I do? Thank you, Frog! One acorn that was on the lotus leaf. Wow! Let's count how many acorns there are in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wasn't it fun counting numbers while finding acorns today? Shall we learn a little more about it?
Let's write and read numbers with green, red, blue, orange, and yellow crayons. Are you ready?
C is for cave, dark and deep. D is for dragon, no time to sleep.
Green number 1. 1.
You did a great job.
Red number 2. 2.
You did a great job.
Blue number 3.
Excellent.
3.
Amazing.
Orange number 4. 4.
J is for jungle, wild and free. K is for key to open the way. L is for
Yellow number 5. 5.
Wow, you did a great job.
How many acorns did the little squirrel find? Let's take the acorns out of the basket one by one and practice counting together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The squirrel found 5 acorns. Let's write the number 5. 5. Super job! Let's write and read the numbers that pop up. 1,
'Wow! That's amazing!'
2, 3,
Well done!
4, 5. You did an amazing job!